My dear SS, class 6, subject English first paper, and my address is I am MD Isakali, your English teacher, assistant teacher, Mobilnagar Secondary School, Nadagram, Joshor Sadar, Joshor. Look at the following pictures. There is a picture, and this is a bear. You know that a bear is a animal. And look at the picture. There are two boys are going on through in the jungle. They are friends, very blossom friend. And let us enjoy a video. Friend in need is friend in need.com. Today's our lesson is completing a story. Today's lesson learning outcomes. By the end of the lesson, SS will be able to say such and such. Number 1, ask and answer the question. 2, the benefit of reading story. 3, how to complete a story. Look at the picture. These two friends are very close and blossom friends. They are going to another place in the jungle, through the jungle. Once there were two friends. One day they were passing through a forest. SS, look at the picture very carefully. Suddenly, a bear came up the forest. Look at the picture. One of the friends climbed up a tree. The other friend did not know how to climb up a tree. He lay down on the ground as if he were dead. The bear came and felt his breath. You know that a bear doesn't eat a dead body, so he shocked. He lay down on the ground as if he were dead. The bear came and felt his breath. Look. And other friend, he thought him to be dead and went away. Went away. The first friend got down and said to the other friend, what did the bear whisper into your ear? The two friend and the bear. The second friend said, a friend indeed is a friend indeed. And individually work. Write on your khata and answer the answer of this question. Number 1, what did they see? What did they see? They means the two friends. I uttered my speech. The two friends saw a bear. I hint this question and you try to write upon your khata. Okay. What did a friend do? এক বন্ধু কি করলো? What did a friend do? A friend doesn't climb up a tree, so he lay down on the ground. Okay. Number 3, what did an other friend do? Other friend can climb the tree and he saw that. Okay. Individual work. After finishing, you put the khata on my table. Solution. Look, what did they see? They saw a bear was coming towards them. Okay. Number 2 question. What did a friend do? Answer. A friend climbed up a nearby tree without thinking about his friend. Number 3. What did an other friend do? The other friend did not know how to climb up a tree. He fell flat on the ground like a dead person. Evaluation. Number 1, what did the bear do? And what did the bear do? The bear smelled him all over the body and thought him to be a dead man. So, without touching him, it went away slowly and gently. What is the moral of the story? This is our topic. What is the moral of the story? A friend in need is a friend indeed. This is morality of this story. Now I recite the passage. Look at the picture here. What do you see? There is a house by stairs. One day, 2 friends were passing through a deep forest. Suddenly, a bear came upon them. Okay. Homework. Write down on your khata. Homework. Read the following story. The story is incomplete. This is now complete the story from your own idea and give a title of it. It is your homework. Thank you, my dear SS. This is the period of COVID-19 and you will be care of your health, your surrounding place, and especially you read the book in your house. Though you pass the class without promotion, without examination, but you try to better yourself in class 6 upper 8, 8 upper 9, such of this. Thank you. Okay.